I am Sanjay Tripathi. I have got more than 22 years experience in the maintenance management of earth moving machinery, construction plant and machineries. I am associated with SEW Infrastructure since last 2 years and working as Associate Vice President Mechanical, looking after operation and maintenance management of all the plant and machinery. SEW was established in 1959 and has got more than 50 years of rich construction experience. SEW has completed some of the biggest dam constructed in India. SEW is not only doing the dam construction or irrigation projects, but they are present into 12 other verticals. For example, tunneling, hydropower, thermal power, port development, highways, oil and gas, etc., etc. We have road project from Trichy to Dindigul, approximately 90 kilometers, 4-laning work, which we are doing for our client called Reliance Infrastructure. We fulfill our requirement of plant and machinery on the two bases. One is that owning by ourselves, and the other one is renting the equipment. I would like to mention we have used the Caterpillar loader, which has given us very good productivity, reliability, and because of that we have completed this project. Not only we have bought the Caterpillar 950S, but we had hired from Gemco Cat 950S loader for that particular site. I would like to talk about the performance of the Caterpillar 950S loader working in our road project Trichy and Dindigul. This loader, why we considered, because of the using the Caterpillar technology, engine technology called ACERT, which is based on the right fuel depending upon the load requirements, and it adjusts whenever the loader is working. It is not one time, but it is in the multiple injections, micro bursts are there. So, this technology is keeping balance with the load requirement as well as the fuel economy. So, that was one, and then second is that the reliability of the machine. When we are talking reliability, means like a mean time between failure. So, mean time between failure is supposed to be very high. It should be reliable, continuously working. So, with the robust design, whether it is frame design, bucket design, structural design, or it is engine and hydraulics, it should be robust, because when the application is severe, then the machine is supposed to be more tougher, should be able to produce in that kind of the tough environment. Considering though our application was very tough, so we went ahead with the procuring Caterpillar 950S loader, and which has proven right. We have got the uninterrupted 5,600 hours so far, and we are expecting many more hours without any downtime.
This is Srinivas from SEW Infrastructure Limited, so project manager of Trichy Dindigul road project. We have been using this Caterpillar loader since from 1.5 years. Most comfortable to our operators, and productivity is also very good. And we have run this machine around 6,000 hours nearly. It's good and reliable.
ఆపరేటింగ్ కంఫర్ట్గా ఉందండి, తోలటానికి ఇబ్బంది లేదు, సీటు స్పెషాలిటీగా ఉంది, క్యాబిన్ కంఫర్ట్గా ఉంది, వెడల్పుగా ఉంది. సో ఆపరేటర్కి ఇబ్బంది లేదు, స్పీడు బ్రేక్ అంతా బాగుంది. నార్మల్ మెయింటెనెన్స్ అండి, ఓన్లీ ఫిల్టర్ ఆయిల్ చేంజ్, ఓన్లీ మైనర్ రిపేర్ ఏది రాలేదు ఇంతవరకు 2 years నుంచి. ఇప్పటివరకు 4-5 ఐటమ్స్ లోటని ఇంతవరకు ఇదే బాగుంది. 950H మైలేజ్ డీజిల్ అన్నీ బాగానే ఉంది.
I would like to discuss about the after sale service support, particularly for this 950S loader. Actually, while deciding the procuring this loader, we know that the dealership network as well as the after sale support is very good in the Caterpillar, supported by the Gemco as well as TIL, covering all across country. So we were not having any doubt in our mind, but it has proven right. Gemco has supported very well for our Trichy Dindigul road project. all the necessary spare parts, filters and consumables, as well as the training was provided by the Gemco local dealer. And whenever we require any support for the training, for the technical guidance, we have been given all the supports. We are very happy with the product, we are happy with the support.